everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching. As always, we're going to have a review today on the channel. This is a skateboard. It is a WeSkate skateboard. I have a link in the description below. I've opened the box already. Comes with this adjustment tool with an Allen wrench on the inside for you, so that you can, I guess, swap your wheels out and stuff like that. Not very familiar with the skateboarding scene, but we're going to do our best. This is a WeSkate skateboard model number XLT3108D. We've got a little bit of instructions. Very small instruction manual that tells you how to swap out some stuff. You've got a self-locking nut on here. Comes with a carrying case, so that's a plus if you do carry this around. Looks like you zip it up. Ooh, let's see. You slide it in and have the wheels sticking out on the bottom there. That's a nice carrying case. We'll put it in the case just to show you. But this is just a nice little skateboard. We've got to do a little packaging. It's packaged pretty well. And so we've got this and what they call it, the pink deer or something is the model of this one. I'm not really into skulls and whatnot, and that was the other option that I had. So this is pretty good. It's got a little contour on the board here on the inside, and it's got all this wrapping around it too. I don't even know if I'll take that wrapping off, honestly. Probably should. But pink wheels roll fairly nicely from what I can tell. You have a self-locking nut here on the skateboard on both sides. So, and you pivot back and forth, I suppose, just like so. Got little bushings for that on the wheels. And we'll pull this off as well. Never done the skateboard stuff before, so I'm going to give y'all, let's see, we'll go ahead and take this wrap off because it's already tearing in the back here. And it's a very nice grit paper, decent contour here on the board itself. I didn't realize how much craft work actually went into skateboards. I just thought they were just flat pieces of wood and threw some wheels on them. So we've got that going for it. I'm going to get this paper off and I'll show you the carrying case aspect of it, and then we'll go out into the driveway, test it out, just kind of roll it up and down the driveway, see how good it rides, and wrap this video up. Alright, so to put it in the case, it looks like I do have to take at least one set of wheels off here. So this little tool right here seems to be fairly nice. A little unfortunate that I have to do this just to get it into the case, but I can understand the compactness of it. So see if I can muster it in there now. I know it's still got the bolt going on here, but we'll see. Okay. Might be one of those instances where you have to take the whole shebang out. I don't know if that bolt's going to make it through. Let's see, hopefully. Oh, it's got Velcro. That makes life a lot easier, doesn't it? So, Velcro. I was like, there's something about this that I am just missing. And that would be it. So, As you can see, it's fairly easy to take off. And then there we go. Just fold it back over. Protects most of the wood surfaces on the skateboard, especially on the top part of the cat hair. But here on the bottom, I mean, you're good to go. So you don't have to take the locking nut off. I was a little crazy, but I would imagine that if you rolled up to the skate park with a design like this, that you wouldn't be outcasted or anything like that. So I think this will be pretty good for somebody going to the skate park. Again, like I said, you got the compact nature of the skateboard. It's not taking up a ton of room. A little bit tricky to get this nut back on, but we'll get there. I think we got it. We just tighten it back up. We've got a little screwdriver tool in there as well, so you got everything you need. I'll tighten this back up. I'll take it outside and we'll just attempt to roll around. It is easy to take all this stuff off though, so that's kind of nice. Everything pivots fairly smoothly, which is good. Probably went a little too loose there. Those plastic bushings can be a little sensitive, so let me take this thing outside, see what we got. Well, I can barely ride it, let alone do tricks, but we're just gonna see how it rides around here. Remember, wear your proper safety gear and whatnot, especially if you're taking it to the skate park or doing anything more than I'm doing. So let me see what we got here. Seems to roll good. I mean, it's got good contour, so. I'm on the wrong side to be doing that, aren't I? So, I don't even know if I want to attempt anything more than that. Truthfully, y'all are probably laughing at me. But, I mean, the wheels seem to roll good. And we'll just roll it by itself, right? I mean, I've got a bunch of junk on my patio or my concrete here, but you can see it's rolling very easily. I don't really have much of a downhill. And then you can kick it up and do some things with it. That's just not really my thing. But, like I said, in terms of overall build quality, usability, it seems like it would work just fine for you if you are in the skating realm. One thing I did notice is that they do put this plastic wrap around the board before they put these screws in for the wheels. So if you really want to get all the plastic off, you can put the screws in. You have to take these screws off for the wheels, otherwise you're going to be like me and have a little bit of plastic hanging out on both sides. But, I mean, seems like it'll be fine. You see a little bit of bleeding of the paint and the graphics right there. But, I mean, this thing's just going to get tore up anyways at the skate park. So, why would you go out and buy something super nice? I mean, you can spend hundreds of dollars and you can get this for less than $100. So, got a little bit of peeling up there on the paper. But nothing crazy for the price point, I would suspect. Not too bad though. Let's wrap this video up inside. Alright, just for kicks, we're going to put the cat on it. He tried to do a trick here just a minute ago. Let's see. He don't really like it, but we'll see what he thinks. Woo! Hey, you can make it roll better than me, right? Come here, buddy. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Oh yeah! Look at him. Alright, we'll wrap this video up now. Alright, so I don't really have a good skateboarding skills, but I don't really see any problems with it if you're an amateur skater especially, or you're a lot of young folks trying to pinch pennies and go on a budget, or just have a little side money to do a little bit of fun with, you know, skateboard hobby or something like that. It should work just fine. Design on the back's kind of neat, with the deer and whatnot, and you got the WeSkate on the top there. Like I said, I think if you showed it to the skate park with this, you wouldn't be out of place, so to speak, nor would you be getting laughed at or fingers pointed at for the quality and look of your skateboard. So that's always a plus in the skateboarding scene, I suppose. So appreciate WeSkate for sending me this. I wish I had better skating skills, but at least I can tell you that from the looks of the product, you have a couple of small fit and finish issues, but for the price point, it's probably about where it needs to be. And you know, it's a little unique. You got your pink wheels and your design on the bottom, so it kind of works out all right. Thank you all again for watching this. I have a link in the description below if you are interested in buying this product, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. In the meantime, if you have any product reviews you'd like for me to try, feel free to reach out to me, Ellis at ellismowers.com or ellismowers09 on Instagram and Facebook. See you on the next one.